Yeah,
No,
also she has gone. Very hot.
But Dhaka is so much cloudy and smooth.
Yeah.
Also cool.
Maybe we are in north.
I also
That's
face
nice.
English fantasy. English fantasy are your all people faces,
Yeah.
and I also calling Mohsina video call Mohsina and other people which I very miss. And Fahim, other group member I call video call because very missing.
Actually, my father was so sick. Just before 2 days of Eid, my father got too much sick, and we feel very worried about him. We go to doctor and run to hospital about with him, and doctor suggest us to give him admit in hospital. But my father didn't want that, so we consult with our doctor, and then he suggests us then we can keep him in our home, but with all facilities. And doctor came our home 3 times for put my father injection 9 times. But Alhamdulillah, in Eid day my father feel too good, and I, my father, and my mother went to Idgah for Eid prayer. After coming Eid prayer, we sacrificed. Then we enjoy our breakfast, and my mother actually cooked delicious food, and we enjoy a lot. And then when meat came our home, I distribute it in one hand, and then my mother and I cook some meat and delicious food, and after evening, me, my father, and my one nephew just enjoy it. That's my Eid day.
You also go Idgah for Eid.
Yeah, in my hometown there is a separate place for ladies Idgah.
Good.
So me, I, my mother, and my father go there.
Yeah, I know, but Patna, I don't know. That's why.
Yes, my
When I go my Inca, that time Inca is finished and I feel boring. Oh, and
why you were late?
because my father is going Harvard.
Oh.
Then when he will came my home, my house. Yes, when he came my house, that time he said, "Please, we are going to Idgah." Okay, father, we are going to Idgah. Then when we will go there, that time Idgah is finished.
Oh, so sad.
Bad luck.
Yes,
No problem.
But inshallah next time.
Yes.
Next time,
And that time I
inshallah.
say my father, "Okay, Baba, inshallah next time we will go there."
Yes.
And we enjoyed in this Idgah's time.
My Eid day is very memorable day because this day is very full of raining. I get up early in the morning at 7 a.m. That time I take shower, and I help for my mother. She is make breakfast for us. Then 8 a.m. Sacrifice our religious purpose of that means Qurbani, and after sacrifice this cow, and 2 p.m. Like that, my mother cook this beef and pulao, roast, and some dessert. I enjoy this food, and after enjoy this food, I will meet my friends. After long time we meet them, and I'm very enjoy this time.
Wow, you spent a very wonderful time
Yeah.
from your day, friend.
Yeah,
It's so
and
different.
in the evening, my uncle and auntie visit my house, and a lot of gossip with there.
Each second day, I go to my in-laws' house, and I enjoy a lot. For Allah, Alhamdulillah, I got a beautiful family. We enjoy so much. My mother-in-law cook so much delicious food. For me, especially pulao and roast, and we eat together. I have three sister-in-law, but my middle sister-in-law is too much friendly with us. We dance a lot. We played beautiful games. We have a lot of cute babies in our home. So we do lot of fun. And each third day, I met my school friends. We chill up. We go to some restaurants. Enjoy a lot of delicious food. We visit different type of place in Pabna, and after then fourth day, we again begin back in Dhaka.
Dhaka.
So my Eid actually going so good because the first, second, third day I enjoy a lot in this. Yes.
Your day is very
Yeah.
enjoyable.
Yes.
Again,
Too
what is-
much. Too
what's
much.
the second day?
Yeah.
Second day, nice.
Oh, the second day, me and my cousin, we are meet in my home. Then we are create a plan, and we will going to the Rupsha Bridge, and we enjoy this time, and we are hang out some few times. Then we will go after Maghrib Azan. Then we will go. So it's a very moment I spent for my Eid second day.
Wow.
Very nice.
Mafi,
Okay, what's your Eid second day?
yeah.
I went my relative's house. Then we are gossiped and visit near River View restaurant. Then enjoy good and eat many delicious food like red beef, then pulao roast, then paesh, and I enjoy it because I'm food lover.
Did you prepare any food by own hand?
No, I don't prepare because my mother and my cousins prepared. That's why I don't.
They are also prepared for
Yeah,
your
sure.
Shujanapu, which item you prepare this Eid?
First
Especially.
of all, I prepare morning time shamai. It's very common
Dessert.
our
You
dessert
prepared
in our Eid.
latcha.
Latcha shamai or also bhuna shamai both. I prepare
I like latcha shamai.
latcha shamai and also fried shamai both are me making. And that time I'm making biryani because my nephew like biryani. She request me, please make biryani.
Your
Uh,
handmade biryani is very delicious.
yeah, thank you so much. That the time just eat. That's it. Then eat. After eat, third day I'm going to my mother house. They are waiting to eating my hand cook.
Great.
My father, mother, and so my elder brother and her wife. They are all people are waiting when I'm coming and I make delicious
Biryani.
foods. No. That time I make roast and pulao, pulao for us, and they eating very enjoyfully. And my little nephew, he called me Fupi. You make me pudding. And that time I make pudding. That's happily enjoy my food. I'm always cooking. My house or my mother house, both house I make cooking.
Otherwise, you made biryani or pulao roast.
I visit my hometown like that Chatpur.
Chatpur.
So we are going to Chatpur river. like Padda and Meghna, three mohanas like top.
Innodir Mohammadpur.
Yeah. This place is very cloudy and a nice place. We are enjoy this time.
I think your district is so charming this time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's why
town.
this place is very famous for hilsa fish.
You like
we-
Hilsa fish?
Yeah.
This is very beautiful thing. Weather is very good.
Yeah. Weather
very
even
beautiful thing. This
Hilsa
is-
fish.
But when are great, very
But in Pabna, they are so hot.
Yeah,
No,
also
yeah,
Sindhakund, very hot.
But
So much.
Dhaka is so much
Dhaka.
cloudy and smooth.
Yeah.
also,
Sky.
also cool.
Maybe we are in north.
We
Yes,
are this time in it.
It is very
Raining.
not proper raining. It's just cloudy
Cloud,
and
okay.
a soft air fresh.
Just a wow.
Nice
And it's
weather.
nice
Oh.
weather. Wow,
In
movement
Pabna
weather.
it is
But
so
each
hot.
second is so much
So
hot.
much hot. Yes.
With
I
second is so
I
much
wait
hot.
rain
We spend a
and
very
it's
very
very
difficult.
enjoyable
Pabna,
moment.
second day it is raining.
So all of our Eid is very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
At least
Alhamdulillah.
at last
Alhamdulillah.
all of our Eid days moment
And,
we spent very good.
Yeah. Yes.
And I miss all my best.
And I also
Just
miss
like-
English fantasy.
Yeah.
English fantasy are your all people faces.
Yeah.
And I also calling Mohsina video call Mohsina and other people which I very miss. And Fahim, other group member I call video call because very missing.